Hey, good Saturday morning, everyone. I'm Storm Tracker 12 meteorologist Isaac Cleland. This morning, we are starting the day with showers and thunderstorms. Now, these thunderstorms will at least be on a scattered basis, if not a numerous basis, through the morning until about noon or 1 p.m. And then the rest of the day after that will be completely dry with the heat and humidity cranking up. Now, as the storms move through this morning, we do have the potential for some isolated to scattered severe weather. Isolated severe weather is possible in the dark green. Scattered severe weather is possible in the yellow. In fact, this morning we already have some severe thunderstorm warnings in the Traverse City area, and these may impact our far northern counties here across portions of northeastern lower Michigan. Again, we'll have these storms around as we make our way through the morning, and then this afternoon all the rain will be making an exit and we will be getting into some sunshine with hot and humid conditions. But right here you can see the level 1 and the level 2 risks indicating isolated to scattered severe weather is possible. Hour by hour through the morning, I do not believe the simulated radar here is doing a very good job at all at picking up on where the storms will be, but plan on at least scattered to at times numerous showers and thunderstorms until about noon or 1 p.m. And then after that, the storms will be gone. Through the afternoon, we break into some sunshine. It will be turning hot and humid, and I can just let this play right on through Sunday and Monday because there's not much happening in the sky. Very little cloud cover. The dome of hot air will be right over the top of us, which means it'll just be sunny, hot, and humid all day long on both Sunday and Monday. Let's explain what's going on with these heat advisories then. What you're looking at here is the entire ABC 12 viewing area, all the counties shaded there in orange. All the counties showing up here, that's the ABC 12 viewing area, and then they're all orange because there is a heat advisory in effect. And in general, we're kind of looking at today and tomorrow heat index values between 95 and 104, tomorrow being the hotter day. Let's break this down a little bit more, though. Let's zoom in on Isabella and Gratiot counties here. The heat advisory for these two counties was issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids from noon today until 8 p.m. tomorrow. The heat index up to 103. The hottest conditions are expected tomorrow. Now, these counties here, the heat advisory was issued by the National Weather Service in Detroit. Heat advisory from 2 p.m. today until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Heat index values focused this afternoon up to around 101. And then our northern counties, Ogama, Iosco, Gladwin, and Aranac. The heat advisory here issued by the National Weather Service in Gaylord. Heat advisory from noon today until 8 p.m. tomorrow, so today and tomorrow, with heat index values between 95 and 104. The hottest conditions are expected tomorrow. Now, there's also an extreme heat watch, which is in effect for the counties that you see here, issued by the National Weather Service in Detroit. Notice Gaylord and Grand Rapids, the counties there not involved. But the extreme heat watch has been issued for the counties that are under control here by the National Weather Service in Detroit. This watch is in effect from tomorrow morning all the way through Tuesday evening, with the potential for heat index values up to 106. So that's some extreme heat, dangerous heat is possible at that point in time. Now, that watch will be upgraded to an advisory or an extreme heat warning, just depending on exactly how hot it's going to be. Here's a look at the progression. We have the heat index for this afternoon. A lot of triple digits showing up across the region. So the next couple days especially are certainly going to be very hot and humid for us. By Tuesday and Wednesday, the core of the heat does start to shift off to the south. Here's a closer look at our heat index values for this afternoon, up between 96 and 101. Then for the daytime tomorrow, we'll see maximum heat index values between 99 and 104, followed by Monday, which is when we'll see heat index values still well up through the 90s, potentially around 100 in a few spots. The core of the heat is right over the top of us for Sunday and Monday, and then just slowly shifts down to the south for the middle portion of the upcoming week, which means after highs in the 90s the next few days, highs will retreat into the 80s for the middle portion of next week, but along the A dome of hot air will be right in the path of where we could see some on-again, off-again showers and thunderstorms for much of the upcoming week. Along with the heat and humidity, winds will be coming in from the southwest, gusting greater than 30 miles per hour today and still gusting greater than 25 miles per hour for Sunday and Monday. That's going to help pump in the hot and humid conditions. So for today, morning storms, afternoon sunshine, a breezy south-southwest wind, highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. For tonight, very warm and humid, lows in the mid 70s with mostly clear skies and still a fairly breezy southwest wind. Tomorrow, sunny all day long, southwest winds 10 to 20, high temperatures at least low 90s, possibly mid 90s. Tomorrow does look like the hottest of the days here, with heat index values again between 99 and 104. Tomorrow is an alert day for the extreme heat. Same thing on Monday, another alert day for the hot and humid conditions. A high temperature there in the low 90s again. Tuesday, we're near 90 with some scattered thunderstorms possible. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we retreat into the mid 80s, but it's that unsettled weather pattern with on and off showers and storms.